vlog. Now actually this is vlog 3 from my travel series. Again I'm shooting from my hotel washroom and exhaust noise is again a little bit irritating, but we'll ignore that. I found the lighting over here is quite good and I just love this place. So I'll be shooting my travel series from this spot only. So if you haven't seen my previous 2 vlogs, how to take care of your skin and which are the products you should carry during traveling, please go and check from the above link. My first video was about a sunscreen, like which sunscreen you should carry during traveling, and my second vlog was about how to take care of from acne and pimples or any skin issues. So these 2 videos are very good, you can go and you can check out. And today's video is again related to travel purpose. Like this is a product that I always carry, and I thought during this vacation of mine that I'm traveling right now, I thought I'll be sharing that with you. It always gives me that glow looking feel on my face. My skin looks dewy, always glowy because of this product. So keep watching, you're going to love it. So the product that I'm talking about and I swear by is from this Plum. This is a Nutri-Plenish face mist. This contains grapeseed and sea buckthorn. Now I love this product. I just carry this in my handbag. This has to be among my travel products in my handbag, along with sanitizers. Nowadays we do carry. So this is the second product after sanitizer that I carry and I do not forget. Now what I love about this is that this is my on the go hydrating booster. Like we drink water and we get exhausted, similarly our face also requires water externally, so we cannot go and wash our face during traveling. It will spoil all the makeup and all. So this does the part. I use this in a form of a mist. The most amazing thing about this face mist is that you can use as many as times. It will not create any problem on your face. You can use this as a moisturizer to hydrate, to nourish, to fix your makeup. Also you can use this to touch up your makeup or just to get a dewy look. What do you want else, guys? This does an amazing part. As you know, Plum are 100%, they produce all the 100% vegan products and they have amazing and fabulous range of products. So this is among their one of the best products that I loved. Also, this product is suitable for sensitive, normal and dry skin people, especially for those extremely dry skin people who have problems with dullness. Now, those people, they usually feel that during traveling they get that tan look or the dullness on the face. This will solve your problem. Plum, grapeseed and sea buckthorn Nutri-Plenish face mist comes into a plastic container like this. It is not made of glass, so it is very much travel friendly. Also it is having a face mist applicator pump over here. And all Plum products are 100% vegan. Amazing part of this mist is that other than nourishing, moisturizing and giving that fresh look on the face, it can also be used as a makeup fixer. So after doing your makeup, as a last thing, you can spray this up onto your face so your makeup will last for a very long time. Plum products, they do not have any parabens or artificial products. They are 100% vegan and safe products. How to use this product? Now I have been always a great fan of rose water face mist. Like it's been many years that I was only using rose water face mist on my face, and then I came across this product and I thought that I should give it a try. Rose water face mist, they will only hydrate your face and they are also an amazing product. But why I bought this product is because other than hydrating, it has many other benefits. Like it will make your makeup last very long time and it will always give you that dewy and glowy look that usually you do not get with rose waters. Rose water will only hydrate your face. So this was the reason that I bought this product, and I'm just going to give you a demo. As I have told you that since morning I have not done any touch up on my face, so let's see how this product works for you. So I'm just going to spray it. Face mist has to be sprayed from a distance onto your face by closing your eyes and protecting your eyes. Make sure that this doesn't go into your eyes because it may irritate your eyes. And with a particular distance, just spray it. You can put your hair behind and just spray it out. And let it dry naturally. Usually what happens, I see many people, they after spraying they touch their face and they tap it. Please do not do that, guys, because you are traveling and your hands must be contaminated or they may have dust which may stick to the face mist and that causes clogged pores and acne. No, that is not our purpose. You do not have to spread this out. You have to just spray it and let it naturally air dry. That's it. Now I have sprayed this. I'm just going to give it 2 to 3 minutes. Let this seep into my skin, and you can see already that I'm getting the dew and the glow on my face. So after this settles down, this will stick, or this will make your makeup last for a very long time. Or even if you're not applying any makeup, this will give that glowy look throughout the day. So please give a try. Plum face mist is a very good product, and it's amazing, and I always keep this into my carry bag or a handbag, and it's like 2 to 3 times minimum I spray it wherever I feel that my face is getting dehydrated or dull. So I hope you like this result. You can see it gives a nice highlighting look, and do go and buy one of this, and do subscribe and like to my channel. Bye bye.